Welcome. So,
I
Sejal,
think you should uh,
what?
change your camera angle of your camera. Yeah, sorry to interrupt.
Okay. Oh, Michael's here.
Okay. So I see
Hi.
you were able to start the Scrum successfully.
Yes, I was able to start it when I used Chrome. It wouldn't work in Firefox, which is the button just didn't show up in Firefox, which is why I couldn't do it the last time.
You, yeah. If you wouldn't mind, could you file a report on that?
I will do that. Yeah. So let's get started. Michael, you want to start us off?
Oh, so I was just working with Matt on cleaning up his pull requests so put context to it, I guess. Right now we tweet to the Agile Ventures Twitter account every time someone starts an event.
Mm-hmm.
We tweet both the Hangout, which is okay, like the Hangout link that we all came into here, for instance, has gone out on Twitter,
Mm-hmm.
but also a YouTube link, which is kind of preloaded in the sense that it's like generated automatically by YouTube even before anything starts to stream. So if someone doesn't, that's right now the behavior of the system is it's immediately tweeted as soon as that's generated and pinged back to the server. So the problem with that is that you can basically end up with a bunch of dead links if people don't start streaming for whatever reason.
Oh, okay.
And so we've made some changes that we will basically make it so that it first checks whether that link is live yet.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a suitable definition for that, and there's a gem. So in other words, we can see whether it's been running for 2 seconds or more, which is kind of an indication that it's gone live. And if it is, then we tweet it at that point in time. So we've been working on that. There's a bunch of issues with testing it and going around in circles with that. So, but I think we've finally gotten a handle on it. And then Code Climate was complaining about some of the complexity, so I just used a refactoring to break a case statement into a polymorphism.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of like a classic move. And then Code Climate was like, oh, everything is great. So that's basically what I've been doing.
Great. Sejal?
So I started my day publishing about publishing my blog post for the progress in my work, whatever I had done last week. And then I got into reading my fellow outreach interns blog posts, and then it just went on and on and on. And then I had I have my initial draft ready right now, but you always have something to improve on, and that's what I was working on. Then I have this other task, which is I had worked on the profile pages last week, which was to display cumulative statistics for a particular instructor. So currently I'm working on the same thing, which is displaying cumulative statistics for a particular student. So yeah, that's what I've been working on.
Great. And I worked on reviewing the pull request for that Sejal just described. And so we have that up and working now on the programs and events dashboard and live. And then also reviewing some work for managing which programs are part of a campaign and being able to easily remove them. So basically I've finished up all of the pending pull requests except for one work in progress that I think I may take the progress that's been done on it and sort of finish it up, since it's a bug that I'm eager to have fixed, and I think like we found the way to fix it. It's just hard to test, but I think we'll maybe just either bypass that or kick the can down the road for being able to test that. And then I also did some refactoring to satisfy code climate, which is always fun to do. It's what I do in the, like, when my brain is too tired from other things. And then the other thing that I did is got working in a good state, which I can't find out how to, oh, see, cameraman, can I? No, that's not gonna help me. I'm trying to screen share, but it looks like maybe I can't in this. But got something working a little better that shows the highlighting of which person added which bit to a Wikipedia article. So this is stuff that is like really exciting for users, and it's just going to take some user interface polish to finish up. And I'm going on vacation starting tomorrow, so that's the other thing that I'm working on, is tying up all my administrative loose ends before I do that. All right. Anything else?
So the thing which you're working on, displaying data respect to a like particular individual's contribution. That's what your side project is currently.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've been hearing that, and I wanted to just.
So let me see if I can. I guess I can put in the chat at least the link to it. So if you check that out and like click on the first article and click show current version, then you have to wait for a while. You have to wait for probably like 15 or 30 seconds until like the data loads to show like the authorship highlighting. But then once it does, it'll have like some really, really ugly view of which user who's a student in the course contributed which bits of text to the article. So it's the fully working proof of concept for all the data stuff is there, and we just need to make it look good now.
Okay, cool. It's still loading though.
Yeah. Eventually, when it finishes loading, there'll be like a little table at the top that like lists the usernames that it's going to highlight, and then like what color each one will be.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, the table is loaded.
Okay, then it's done now. If the table is loaded, then you should be able to scroll down and see.
Okay, yeah. So you're working on the same thing or improving on this?
Well, this is, I got this working yesterday, and then I'm not going to probably do anything else with it for now until
But this looks great.
the designer helps me out with figuring out how to actually make it like look good, figuring out some user interface for how to present like the list of users and how to do, you know, how to point out to people that it's still loading and that kind of thing.
Yeah, looks great.
Thanks. Okay, I guess that's it for the Scrum. Do you want to stick around, Sejal, and talk about your work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Michael, you're also welcome to stick around if you like, or if there's anything else you want to talk about. All right then. So what are you working on now, Sejal?
So I'll just, as I said, I was working on the blog post, and yeah, I got into reading different things. But right now I'll start working on the, like, I have to do the same thing, like change some, like tweak data here and there for the students. So the same cumulative statistics part for students. So that's what I'll start working on. So I don't have much doubts right now. I can't hear you.
Cool. So I talked with JMO this morning, and I think we should do like Fridays at 11 as our like weekly time when JMO can also join us. Like this same time on Fridays, if that works for you. You're muted now.
11 a.m. IST.
Like this same time, the same time as this.
Okay. Oh, okay. Fine. That works for me.
Okay, cool. So I'll set up a calendar invite so that we can have that meeting, and JMO can join us. And I think I'll probably join you both this Friday. Cool.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you wanted to talk about or do?
No, I don't want to talk about anything else.
Okay. Thanks everyone. See you later.
See you.